Today, everyone is buying shares, selling. Mainly, everyone like to earn money. But most people think share market is a big market. Money is there. You can go and take all the money from it and become huge risk free billionaire, trillionaire, crorepati. You're thinking, but it's totally fake. People are projecting a bad thing so they can earn. So what happened in share market? You buy, you sell. Okay, what? To get high profit, what do you want to do? Buy it a low price, sell at a high price, or you can sell at the high price and buy back at a low price. This is what they said. So you go into the market, put some money, you can buy something and price will go up. Someone buy at high price, you can take a profit and come back. The same thing will be thought to the same thing. This cycle goes on. What's the reality? Reality: how many people earn money in the share market? 97 percentage of the traders loses their money. It's not said by me, it's said by the SEBI has released a report that says 97 percentage of the traders lose their money. The 3% people, the ultra brilliant, ultra mind people who owns all the money, lost by that 3%, lost by 97%, the 3% people own that money. This is what happening. So please be careful while trading. This is my short advice. Bye.